a good day again today. My name is still remain Instructor Kenneth. So today, like I talked yesterday, say we enter part 2 of our foundation in physics. We will delay for people who want to write GC, while even UTME exams. So today, our topic now physical quantities. Quantities, things where they feel touch, where they see, when we physical. Quantities, now things where we say they count, they feel count them, they get value, they get numbers. So those things where they physical, where you feel count, now we want to talk about. Now, like I write for, but I say a physical quantity is anything that can be measured and described with a number and a unit. For instance, I just say 50 seconds. The quantity now be 50. The unit now be seconds. 10 kilogram. Quantity be 10. The unit now be kilogram. This one be 5 kilometer per hour. This one will tell us say the quantity be 5. The unit be kilometer per hour. For instance, if 20 people dey for this room, you want to differentiate them, you go just say boys dey here, girls dey here. You go say for instance number of boys na 5, number of girls na 15. If you want add them together, you go just say 5 boys 15 girls, because the unit different, girls different from boys. But if you want ascribe them as a whole, you say 20 persons. But if you want use units, differentiate them, you could just say 5 boys and 15 girls. Now for physics, under physical quantities, we get what they call so scalar quantities. Like I talked before, this one then 9 get magnitude and no direction. It means say this one they get, if you measure them in terms of size, in terms of capacity, but they don't get direction. For example, I fit talk say the time na 5 seconds. I fit talk say this is na 10 kilogram. I know ascribe directions to them. If you get my point, I'm gonna go to the second point. Speed. I fit talk say Mr. James traveled 60 kilometers per hour, but I don't talk say east or west. You say I know add direction, and that one be scalar quantity. Distance also, but this one is called vector quantities. Then these ones then they measure them with directions, not just the size, not just the quantity, not just the amount alone, but the direction where that thing they take place, or where that thing won't go take place. They always are attached to RAM. That is they call vector quantities. For instance, velocity. I can say the man's velocity is 10 kilometers per hour due east or east. Now I'm gonna have east for the front. You don't want to say the man they travel from east at 10 kilometers per hour. But if I thought say the man they travel 10 kilometers per hour, I don't add direction. That one be speed. It means say na scalar quantity. Force. If before person go slap person, I use that one for example. If person go slap person, he get direction where the hand they come from. It's true or false? You say, if I want slap you now, my hand go like this, will give you like this. My hand don't move from this place to this place. Don't move, that's movement. At what direction? Is it east or west? Now back and I give you, on a front I give you. There must be a direction attached to that movement. Now be force also they under vector quantities. Same thing with what? Acceleration. All these things they take place in a particular direction, not just quantity alone. So like we don't say speed now. If the man they travel 10 kilometers per hours and not to direction, this is not speed. That same man they travel 10 kilometers per hour east. It means say the way the man they drive come from, and from east they come, when I east they head towards at 10 kilometers per hour. The speed remains the same, but the direction remains. The direction is not the same. It they change. If it does say okay, if they go west at what speed he can maintain the speed, but the direction is different. Na im be vector quantity. So for our next class, we go solve questions more on these quantities. We go see wetin e look like when we dey calculate vector quantities. We go see some formulas. I go show you some formulas wey be say e go help you calculate vector quantities and calculate them. This one no need just values, but see these ones, you go talk more about them for our next class. But I hope say you don understand this thing today. People dey confuse speed and velocity. Most persons dey mistake that part.